Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another video. This may not be uploaded on the same day, but it probably will be. As the last video, but it is recorded on the same day as the last video, so... but it is recorded on the same day as the last video, so if you haven't already, go watch that video. It's great. I didn't dox a very important place to me either, which is amazing. I didn't want to dox that, so I'm glad I managed to not dox it. Anyways, what we're doing right now is we're going to get this. Daughter of a distant land, we who have made, waited long, blah blah blah, bind our strength for yours, reclaim the future, blah blah blah. And, bind it to us, and we get the best silk skill in the game, guys. Redstone. The best. Sorry about that, guys. I was just looking over my shoulder. Hello there. Oh, more rosaries. Oh, more rosaries. Goodbye. So yeah, that's all I went up there for. I did it my way. Oh, we need to do this. I actually need to do this. So, by the way, Fredstorm, it's amazing. Basically, you unleash a deadly spin of attacks. We don't have them. Okay. Chakra is gone. We'll go find her later. So, in the last episode, when wandering in here, and you may have just caught a glimpse of it then, we saw a giant pillar thing that we couldn't access. Because obviously, we don't have the stuff to do so. That's loud. So, now we have the stuff to do so. And we can get out here, press that, and it drops it down. And that's everything we need for now over there. We will go back there later. But for now, also, hold on. I was trying to do something. There. I did it. So, in between episodes, I will go back and do that. Pilgrim Soul quest and other stuff. Also, if we look at the quests, Lost Leads, we have one. There is one around here, so we will probably go back for this episode at some point. But we'll grab as many pilgrim shawls as we can. Sorry, I just want to... Look at that one! Right here, guys. Look there. Also, I have tried to get my own custom skin in this game. I haven't been able to yet. I'm trying to figure it out. If you have figured it out for yourself, please comment how, because I don't know. This is Hunter's Journal. Yeah. So now we have Hunter's Journal. And look at all those sweet little entries. Look how much we've killed. That's all we've killed, guys. Look at all those sweet entries. If you want to read it, there you go. Oh. There. You will have to pause the video though, because I'm not staying there forever, that hurts. Yeah, we need to kill 100 enemies, we're at 42. So, well, we need to get 100 journal entries. Right. The journal entry, by the way. Next. This is why we got that. Done it. Been there, done that. Welcome to another Bellway. We're gonna be here. We're gonna see a lot of these. We're gonna be back there later. Guys, I'm terrified. I've played this game before, yes. I don't remember what that is. All I remember is there's a boss soon. I don't remember what the boss is though. I might. Somebody explain! New enemy alert. Hadouken! Why is that perfect? So we're gonna go in here.
Oh, hola! Ah, mamito!
Catestre.
Oh, goro! Oh, yama!
Benny Frank.
Molina molem! Lelos bararin!
So that's Garmon and Zaza. They'll be useful later. They will be useful later, those two. For now, we can't get up there. Alright, for now we're gonna head back down there. We're gonna practice on this guy. We're gonna have to fight a bit. Unless I do the boss first try. The reason we're gonna have to kill a lot of them soon is because that idiot again. If you can't hear that, outside my home, there is an idiot. This idiot sets his car alarm on 90% of the days. Annoying me and my friends. Ow. Don't get caught by them. Yeah, they really are annoying, that person. But I still deal with them. Well, I deal with them. There we go, I'm goated at this game. Well, actually, that's debatable. Okay then. Oi, you stupid rat! Nope, I'm gonna finish that sentence. Well, technically, I'm right. Technically, they are a rat. They are stupid. Oh god, I'm on 1 HP. Nope! Nope. This place is a pain. Do you want to know what else is a pain? Hold on, I'm gonna go out for a second. So, yes. The chapels. Speaking of chapels. Now, lots of people praise this crest, and I don't understand why. Like, it's not that good. It's really nothing to talk to home about. It's just, in my opinion, it's kind of terrible. But hey ho, that's my opinion, and I'm entitled to it. Just like all of you guys are. Guys, someone's gonna die. Wonderful! Run for it! Sorry. Run for it! Go away, stupid scissor cow. No, I saw my silk. I've never actually lost against that little fight arena. I guess I just wasn't concentrating that fight. Like, my first playthrough, the crest of the hunter took me like hours. And this one didn't even take 2 tries. This one took me 1 try. God. Can you stand still for 2 seconds? That was it. That's it, guys. We're already done. Also, if I had a map of this area, which I don't for some reason, can't remember what area. Anyways, Reaper Crest. I think this crest is kind of bad. Gonna be honest with you. It's kind of useless to me. Because, like, it's like, and then, and then, and then, and you can't speed it up. And then the down bow's like, while pressing the knight's like, and the down bow's like, So yeah, I'd rather have this crash than crash this. Hope I didn't miss anything. I didn't. So if I go over there, there's nothing. If I go down here, there's down wall something. And if I so wish, I'm gonna go through here. I know the best pathway to get through here. And it's here. So, you may see that we just unlocked that. Okay, I'm just go to this game. Wanderer's Crest is fully maxed out, guys. How about that? How about that hot sauce with a side of vinegar? Oh. And get off. And we're through. So that's all I wanted to do there. Unlock that way. Get ready. Hi. Apparently the best thing to do is go through here. A quick quest with Reaper. Okay, I think they patched it, so I have to fight to get it. Wait. No, thank you. Get me out of here, get me out. Woo! So it used to be that what I was doing then used to be possible. They must have patched it though. First try, guys. First try. Anyways. Sorry I wasn't talking that much then. I was concentrating. Oh, this opens. Welcome to what I thought was Act 2. It's nowhere near. We're halfway to Act 2. But we're not in Act 2. Meet Haunted Bellheart. The worst place in the game. It's creepy as hell. Hello. It's him. Now I'm going to show you a pretty cool secret that you'll all love. So if we quit the game Just give it a moment. And then reload the game. Yes, I use OBS. Team Cherry, this pops up. So it loads up the game normally. Oh. Sorry, that was weird. Click start game, Haunted Bell Heart. Wait for it. Oh, it didn't happen. Let's try it again. Sorry, everybody. Just pull up Steam. Okay. Now it's loaded up again. Let's try it again. Hopefully the secrets... Hopefully Team Cherry didn't remove the secret, because it's a pretty cool secret. Can this go away? Thank you. Let's try it again. Haunted Bell Heart. I'm gonna take a drink of my water. Oh, there we go. It's worked. Yup. Yup. This is the secret. I'ma get paid back for this, please. I'ma get paid back. I'm gonna go get paid back. I'ma get paid back for this. You can call me Pogo Lord. I just need to check my emails in a minute. So, if I stop moving, I'm checking my emails. Hello there. Pretty cool. Maybe thinking, pretty cool the place. It's nowhere near pretty cool. This is Shellwood. Shellwood is not pretty cool. Shellwood is not even close. Shellwood is dangerously scary. I hate Shellwood. All my life, I need to... This is around the point when I got most of my mods. The boss fight we're going to now. Easiest battle in the game. You can't die in it. Well, at least. See? Easy. Or in my opinion. Easy. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the screen then. We're gonna buy this bench. Because money! I like money. Money's fun. And that is a waypoint for us. For later. We are gonna dice. And let's go down, 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 down. Gonna unlock that door. Easier trouble. Whoa. We're gonna go in here. Hey, girl!
Yes.
Cadestre.
How you doing, girl?
Buenera.
Greymore, just a bit furry. Bell heart has a bell on it. Shellwood. Wood on it? I don't know. We're gonna sell her out. So that's hunt marker.
Memi do. Goro yoshke.
Pogos. We'll go along track up here. Just because. Yeah. I can make myself immortal, guys. So I'd like to complain about that. I won't use any immortality unless I absolutely have to. So guys, was that mask shard worth it, guys? We're gonna unlock the bellway. I'm gonna unlock every bellway because every bellway is nice to have. We're also gonna go over here. Why? Because we need to go fight another boss, and we need to unlock that later. So we're gonna need that later. We're gonna need this port part later. And you may be wondering, why would we need a poly part? It seems useless. All of a sudden, I can get it. It will give us one of the best tools in the game. Poly. may say will save our life. It will save our life from a lot of things. I missed. No, sorry guys, I didn't miss. I'm too good at the game for that. Yeah. There we go. I gotta first try this, guys. One hit. First try it, guys. I had to, absolutely had to. I'm glad I managed to do so. Might, flutter, might, mother, mauling. I was locked in. Like, completely locked in then. Like, there are no words to describe how locked I was. Again, we'll need the pull-up parts later. Sorry about that. Made it. Sorry. I'm not really talking much in race right now, am I? Okay. Starting now, I'm gonna talk a lot. Blah 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 blah. What is wrong with me? Yeah. all of these are the last two episodes, this video and the episode before this, filmed today on Saturday. I will be filming most days if I'm able to, until I finish this series. Won't that be a treat? So we have a splinter and a splinter horn. Don't get the difference, but okay. Lace! Bye. Money! Hello. Did you just follow me? Okay. It followed me. I don't know how I feel about that. I didn't think it had the AI. I didn't think the AI was smart enough to follow me. Also, we need to go in here now. Now, guys, this might be an hour long. If it's gonna be an hour long, it's gonna be a good hour. Okay, everyone's gonna get annoyed at me for making an hour-long video. And yeah, still, people can get annoyed at me if they want. Go down. Down, I say. Down. Down, boy. This is where we want to go. Jeez. If you can't hold out, then you're going to be tops. So now we've unlocked that entrance. So now we have easier access to the vent. But we're going to first try this. So
Vienta!
Hi, Widow. Bada boom. Bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Mother, right. Mother, you what? Oh, shit. Mother, Mother, you what? Oh, come on! My God! There we go, guys. Second phase. Wait, no, sorry. She's one of the best. Like I said, first try. I'm gonna check my emails all this. Oh, I forgot you told me about that. Oh, I need to see this now. Oh, that looks delicious. Sorry, one of my friends is making lemon drizzle cake, and it looks delicious so far. Love it. Gotta put yellow heart. There we go. Everything about me is yellow, so I'm putting yellow heart. Does that seem fair, guys? Put a yellow heart for something that looks absolutely delicious. Needling! I think it seems fair, guys. Hello. I wonder if the Weavers have boys. Like, the Queen was a woman, and there's like Weavers that play music and thing, and then there's also Hornet who's a woman. Or like men Weavers? I wonder. Delicious lemon drizzle. If she's watching this, she's probably like, oh, that was made a bit after I sent that? Oh. Well, that's good that you like this though. I do like it, by the way. It looks delicious. Forget the cake, give me a bowl of just the drizzle. I'd get my dad some as well. That's the funny thing. I could go to my dad and just give him some lemon drizzle, and he'd be really happy. That's the funny thing. Because we like lemon drizzle. I'd just take the lemon drizzle, honestly. So would my dad. Anyways. By the way, guys, if you saw the last video, you know I'd like you to subscribe so I can entertain more people. And have the funds to build my games and entertain even more people. So if you subscribe and get me to enough subscribers where I can earn money, then I can buy the resources that I need to continue making games. Bella! Hi, Mr. Shop owner.
Hironare.
Hidenare.
Da, finestra.
Nah, Finestra. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. Later we can get a bell house. Widow. Oh, right. Oh, okay. I guess I'll get that. No, not that one. That one. Silver bells, yay. I'll take it. Am I missing courier? Sure. Crawbook clearing, absolutely. Later there'll be a bell here. Not there yet though. Anyways, we're gonna go in here. talk to the pin master,
fine.
and then we're gonna end the video. It's at 50 minutes.
Plus 4.
Whenever I lean forward, and my thing freezes, it's because I'm checking the time on the video, how long it's been. This is probably gonna be my last video today, and then tomorrow I'll make more. Hopefully 2 to 3. Anyways, we have a sharpened needle now.
Bonva nama
Nesvir.
The last needle upgrade is awesome because it's like the second to last one is like high. Like, if you know Hollow Knight and seen the hive in Hollow Knight, that's the
Regina
needle.
Fora.
Karkena. Miesko.
It's like that. It's really cool. And if you've seen yeah. So the needle gets like the hive kind of textures when you upgrade it to a certain point, and then it keeps, and then the final upgrade it keeps the hive textures and goes like pale. It's really cool. You can only get that in Act 3. But I will show you the upgrade. So, this is the current needle. Other one was like jagged and worn out. We can check later in the episode. Anyways, I'm gonna head to mention end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Just let me end it.